Welcome back, folks. Today, we embark on an exciting comparison between two powerful domains, digital marketing and video editing. Join us as we delve into the depths of these creative realms and discover their unique attributes. Let's get started. Digital marketing is all about capturing the attention of prospective customers through various online platforms. Leveraging strategies such as SEO, social media, and content marketing, businesses aim to create brand awareness and generate leads. It's an ever-evolving landscape that demands adaptability and innovative thinking. In the realm of video editing, creativity takes center stage. Utilizing cutting-edge software and tools, we transform raw footage into visually compelling stories. With meticulous attention to detail, color grading, and seamless transitions, we aim to captivate audiences and leave a lasting impression. Digital marketing and video editing, though distinct, complement each other in a powerful synergy. Embracing video content in marketing strategies facilitates higher engagement and enhances brand storytelling. Absolutely. The fusion of eye-catching visuals, augmented by strategic storytelling, elevates digital marketing campaigns, making them memorable and impactful. Digital marketing and video editing are two pillars that support modern-day content creation. In a world driven by digital experiences, harnessing the potential of both domains can propel businesses to new heights of success. Thank you for joining us on this comparative journey. Remember, whether you're a digital marketer or a video editor, always strive for innovation and stay ahead of the game. Until next time, keep creating.